Hello, I will demonstrate how to use the Kiosk Management module for the Content Editor account. To access the Kiosk Management, click the Access module under the Kiosk Management. Log in using your account. As for this demonstration, we will use the Content Editor account. After we have login, we will be directed to the Kiosk dashboard. As you can see in the top navigation bar, there's 4 icon buttons. First, the app switcher, to easily navigate through the system without going back to landing page. Notification bell icon for notifications. Toggle button for switching to light and dark. User drop-down for changing the password and logout button. For the Content Editor dashboard, we can see the overall data, kiosk map location, network status, performance metrics of the kiosk. The objective of this dashboard is to have an overview about the kiosk that the Content Editor account managing. Let's proceed to the Kiosk tab. On this tab, we are able to view the location of the kiosk on the map that the Content Editor managing. To edit the kiosk, click the pencil icon button. As you can see in the edit page, fill up the kiosk information, input the security code. Take note, security code serves as the password to have access on each designated kiosk application. For the logo, there was a set media requirement. It must be 269 by 50 pixels max. Only accept SVG/PNG image format. To set up the kiosk location, select in the marker icon the kiosk marker. Input the address or location. It will move you directly to the set address or location. You can move the location marker on the map. Once done, click the Save button. To view kiosk details, click the magnifying glass or View button. This shows kiosk name, security code. This serves as the password to access the kiosk application and list of available agencies for the kiosk. To add a new agency, click the Add Agency button. Check the agencies you want to add. Click Add Selected Agencies. Wait for the page to reload. For AI Assistant configuration, this section allows you to configure the AI Assistant by editing instructions and managing frequently asked questions, and after that, if there are modifications, click Save Changes and wait for the page to load. When done, let's proceed in the Location tab. In the Locations section includes a map showing buildings and facilities near the kiosk, city hall, municipal hall, hospital, etc. To add a location, click Add Location and check the desired locations to add. After the modification, click Save Changes and wait for the page to reload. For emergency contacts, similar to locations, this provides a list of emergency contacts that can be reached in case of emergency. To add new emergency contacts, click Add Emergency Contacts, and then check the contacts you want to add to the kiosk. After that, click Save Changes and wait for the page to reload. In the Status tab, it displays performance metrics of kiosks, network status, weather, online/offline, of kiosk devices, transaction logs showing recent user activities and what actions they performed using the kiosk. For ratings feedback, this tab allows you to set up feedback questions to display on kiosk devices, view recent feedback and feedback questions. To add new questions, click Add New Questions, select question type, enter question text, add options if needed. Then, click Add. Wait for the page to reload. Kiosk Splash Screen. This feature displays infographics on kiosk devices during idle time. 5 minutes of inactivity. Agency/offices management. This section shows the list of all agencies/offices. Adding new agency/office. To add a new agency/office, click the plus icon button, select the type, enter agency/office name, add logo and slogan. Fill in agency information, title, information type, redirect URL. Click Add and wait for the page to reload. Note, the status column shows pending 4 items waiting for approval from either the kiosk admin or kiosk manager. Kiosk Splash Screen. This feature displays infographics on kiosk devices during idle time. 5 minutes of inactivity. To add a splash screen, click the plus icon button, enter splash screen name, add media, for example image or video. Check the Is Active checkbox. Selected the target kiosk. It can display to 1 or more kiosk applications. After that, click Add and wait for the page to reload. In Services tab, this shows the list of available services. To add services, click the plus icon button, fill in the fields, title, select agency, service URL, click Add and wait for the page to reload. For the Content Items tab, this section manages content for map directories, news announcements. To add new content, click the plus icon button, fill in the fields, title, select agency, select link type, service URL. Take note, if you select news announcement, an image field is required, else if not selected, no image required for the maps directories. Click Add and wait for the page to reload. In Locations tab displays a map showing buildings and facilities near the kiosk, for example City Hall, Municipal Hall, Hospital, etc. To add a location, click Add Location, select the type of new location, and fill up the information of the location you want to add and check the Is Active checkbox. To set up the kiosk location, select in the marker icon. Input the address or location. It will move you directly to the set address or location. You can move the location marker and click Save. For emergency contacts, similar to locations, but this provides a list of emergency contacts available in case of emergency. To add new emergency contacts, click Add Emergency Contacts, select the type of contact, and fill up the information of the location you want to add and check the Is Active checkbox. To set up the kiosk location, select in the marker icon. Input the address or location. It will move you directly to the set address or location. You can move the location marker and click Save. That's all for the Content Editor account. Thank you. Hello. To access the Kiosk Management System, click the Kiosk Management Access module. You will need to log in using the Kiosk Manager account. As you can see, the interface is similar to the Content Editor, but this is the Kiosk Manager dashboard. It displays all the overall data including total number of kiosks, network stations, kiosk locations, performance metrics. In the top navigation bar, you'll find the Settings drop-down which contains the list of types and icons that are used for the system. For the We Ask recipients, this is where we set up the emails the system will use for the inquiries of the users of Kiosk application. To add new recipient, click the plus icon button, fill up in the fields office/agency name, recipient name, and email. For this field, input a valid email to receive the inquiries of the kiosk's users. Then click the Add and wait for the reload. The We Ask log section stores all inquiries from users, in addition to the inquiries sent to We Ask recipients. To view the logs, click the magnifying glass icon button, the log details display, source kiosk device information, sender email, recipient email, message content, attachment status, whether attachments are included or not. For Kiosk Manager, Reviewing Kiosk Contents tab, this tab displays the content that are ready to review and what are the already approved contents before displaying to the kiosk application. To review added content, click Review for the content you want to review, update the status after reviewing, add comments for feedback if needed, click Save Changes and wait for the page to reload. That's all. Thank you.